Hi there, check out the GEHE Pine Wooden Cupcake Stand. A beautiful and durable 3-tier serving tray made from high-quality pine wood with a unique natural grain. This foldable cupcake display stand features magnetic legs that fold for easy storage, saving you valuable space in your kitchen or party area. Perfect for showcasing cupcakes, pastries, charcuterie boards, or even using as decorative shelves in your bedroom or bathroom. The non-toxic, BPA-free and biodegradable wood ensures safe use for your family and guests. Each tier can be used separately or stacked together to create an elegant dessert tower for weddings, birthdays, or any special occasion. Cleaning is simple with a damp cloth and mild soap, making maintenance hassle-free. Elevate your entertaining experience with this versatile and stylish serving tray that combines functionality and charm. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.